Good evening, Father.
Yes,
My name is Jinsi. Really, I don't know how to say thank you for Father and for you also. All are very active in this group, really, in Telegram group. I don't know, in this world, everyone need profit, but without profit, Father, you are doing a great job. Really, I don't know how to say thank you. Um, yeah, because of this group, I came to know how to do the reading, because reading was very difficult for me. Reading part B, C, everything. Really, this platform is very helpful for us. Really, very thank you so much, Father.
thank you so much, Jinsi, for sharing your experience. And it's really encouraged and motivated all of us. Is there anyone who else wants to add on? Minnie, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, sure. I also want to tell regarding father. Because of the father, I also the reading part I can also able to do well. I'm not getting out 20 out of 20 and all, but still my score is improving every day practicing now. And still I am facing part C as challenging for part C. I think I can do by practicing every day. Hopefully, I am just hope for the best.
Thank you so much, Minnie, for sharing your experience. And is there anyone else who wants to add on? We'll be starting the session within 2 minutes. So don't miss the chance. If your heart says to speak up, speak up.
Good evening, all. Jalajam here.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening.
It's great. Appreciated all. You are doing a good job. So, because of the empowering armies, many of them are getting benefited. So I'm so proud to be in this group, and I can emphasize that what is that? I'm getting that particular word, but I earned. So I'm very thankful to all, especially Father, and I'm very proud to be in this group. So day by day, I am improving myself. So I expect I can also be a part of that main team. So once I'll also reach in my wish. The main thing is that it's more relaxable to be in this group. Moreover, whenever we require something, many hands are there to help us. That is the other thing, and we are so safe. I'm feeling I'm so safe. It's like we are safe in God's hands. The same, I can feel like whenever we have some difficulty, so many hands are there to hold us. So thank you all. Especially thank you, Father, and all other team members, main team members and supporting staff, everyone, one and all, everyone. I really appreciate you and thank you all.
Thank you so much, Jalajam. We are also so happy that you are with us. Thank you so much. So is there anyone else who wants to add on? So
yes, I want to add something, one more point, because I forgot to tell about the empowering team. I will not forget them. They are the pillars, and especially Saumya, Vinci, and Lily Mola are helping me. They are too much. They are helping me, and they are just explaining and everything. Too much she's helping me, and I didn't mention about them, especially the admin panel and all. No, they are like a family. They are supporting everybody. Thank you so much.
So once again, welcoming all of y'all, requesting all of y'all to please mute in your mics, and please be careful if your mic is unmuted by mistakenly. Please keep in mind that it should be muted. So once again, a warm and wonderful welcome to all of you all. We are glad that all of you all are with us. And today for the student faculty with mentor, we have Rajni Biju with us. And she's with us from the past 3 months, and she's very active. And she is a great motivation for each one of us. When we look at her, we can say that age is just a number because she's very active. And it's a blessing to have her with us. Let me tell you something about our platform because we have many beginners here. So our platform is a free platform, and from now onwards, this is our platform. We are the owners of this platform, and yes, we have one mentor, and that is Father Salim. We do not have any other mentor. If you receive any calls or any messages from our platform telling that they are tutors here, please do not believe them, and please inform our mentor, Father Salim Joseph. If you're watching us on YouTube, consider subscribing our channel and liking and sharing our channel so that many OET aspirants can get benefit from our channel. Thanking everyone who are active in this platform. It is because of y'all many are being helped, and your efforts are really appreciated, and God will bless each one of your efforts. So let me tell you all something about Coaching Rain. I know many of you all are students, and many of you all are active in the Coaching Rain plan. If you're still not a part of Coaching Rain, and if you want to be a part, please download it, and you will be automatically uploaded.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Sorry. Let me tell you once more. If you are not a part about the Coaching Rain, then please download the app, and then you will be automatically admitted. So this is all about the coaching app. And if you have 4 months, then this app is very beneficial. So before booking your date, sorry, once again. So if you are not a part of it, please download it and see to it that you are being connected with a mentor, and see to it that you have 4 months of good time plan so that you can practice OET well. Please think before you book the date, and please talk with a mentor before you book the date. Don't waste your money. And that's all that I can tell you about OET. Now I welcome Ms. Rajni Biju. Handing this platform to you, Rajni Biju, please go ahead.
Thank you, Jenny. Good evening, Father and my dear friends.
Good evening, Chechi.
Good
Okay.
evening.
Good evening, Chechi.
Okay. See, today, as we all know, we'll be seeing how to tackle part A, reading part A. Many of you may feel difficulty. I have heard that just now, somebody was sharing that feeling difficulty to score reading subtest. But when we start practicing after watching Father's video, and when we try to follow all his strategies, we feel that it is very easy for us. Okay, we will never feel difficulty to score. I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes, Chechi.
Okay. So I welcome all of you to this session, and I thank Father Salim Joseph. Because of him only I am here now. Okay, that you also will understand, and those who are already in the group. I know there are somebody, those who are not beginners, they are already there in the group, and they know that everything is because of whatever the empowering army is doing, everything is because of Father and his great support. Once again, I thank Father. Okay, OET reading subtest part A. Expeditious reading task. What is meant by expeditious? See, here you can see that I have highlighted in second line, quick and efficient. Now, expeditious. Of course, it is an expeditious reading task because part A, assess your ability to locate specific information from 4 short texts in a quick and efficient manner. The 4 short texts relate to a single healthcare topic, and you must answer 20 questions in the allocated time period. So it is known as expeditious because we have to complete 20 questions within 15 minutes. So, and as it is mentioned here, almost all the time we'll be getting a single healthcare topic. There may be some exceptions. Sometimes we may get information regarding any equipment or anything like that. Otherwise, in almost all the cases I have seen that it will be a healthcare topic. So there will be 4 texts. Okay, let's see. The duration is 15 minutes. And the task will be, we have to attend matching. Matching means, see, there will be first 7 questions, 1 to 7 questions. They will give a sentence or matter something, and we have to identify or we have to mention in which text it belongs to. That's what. Then sentence completion, like fill in the blanks, and short answer questions. We may be requested to write 1 or 2 words or a phrase. So let's see the instruction to the candidates. Look at the 4 texts A to D in the separate text booklet. For each question 1 to 20, look through the text A to D to find the relevant information. Write your answers on the space provided in this question paper. Answer all the questions within the limited time. Okay. See, as I told you, there are 4 texts named A, B, C, D. Usually, text A may be contained with definition. Okay, if it is a healthcare topic, there will be definition and types, and everything will be given in the text A. And second, text B, clinical assessment, including signs and symptoms, or it is diagnosis or diagnostic procedures or the investigations. And text C, management, maybe surgical or medical management. And text D is monitoring. I have just picked a few words from the text we are going to deal today. Here you can see that randomly I have selected few words or the phrase from the text. All the 4 texts I have choose it. See, you can just note it down. Persistent cough, ethambutol, stay away, chest pain, 2 stages, cover the mouth, X-ray, aqueous IV solution, isoniazid, Montaxtus, adequate ventilation, medication on right time, pulmonary tuberculosis, bacterium tuberculosis, IM injection and dissemination. Hope you have noted down. I can make 4 columns like this. These are the texts. We have already seen that. Text A, B, C, D is representing this. I'll be giving a small task. You have to complete it soon. Sorry. Now these words you have to arrange under that particular heading. Please write down under which heading it comes. Okay, persistent cough, where it comes? Ethambutol.
Management.
Stay away.
Prevention.
Yeah, so that where it comes.
Management.
Yeah, monitoring. Chest pain.
Clinical
Okay, 2 stages.
definition.
Yes, cover the mouth.
Monitoring.
X-ray.
Investigation.
Okay, which text? Text B. Okay, aqueous IV solution. Management. Okay, isoniazid.
Management.
Management. Adequate ventilation.
Management.
Medication on right time.
Management.
Pulmonary tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
Definition.
IM injection.
Management.
Dissemination.
Monitoring.
Okay. Now, almost all you have done very well. Let's see whether it is right or wrong. See that definition: pulmonary tuberculosis undercomes definition and 2 stages: mycobacterium tuberculosis and disseminated. Only this you made mistake, I think. Okay, let it be, no problem. Next, clinical assessment and diagnostic investigation: persistent cough, Montauk's text, X-ray, chest pain, and management, ethambutol. Medical management is isoniazid, IM injection, aqueous IV solution, and monitoring: cover the mouth, stay away, adequate ventilation, and medication right down. So if you are able to realize these words or where it comes, then it will be very easy for you to do this task. Okay, here you can see text A. What is the heading?
Tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis. That means you know that there is already a heading given there, so that it is very clear that they will be mentioning in this paragraph. It is mentioned as a tuberculosis. Here you can see 2 bullets that pulmonary tuberculosis is enough to read till there. Then you know that it is maybe something about that or the definition. Again, extra pulmonary tuberculosis. These all are the types or the stages. Okay, we'll just go fast. Diagnosis of tuberculosis, text B, heading is there. No need to read even. You know that what comes under this heading, and this is other part of text B, continuation. Here also some subheading you can see. Okay, then this is text C. It is, see, you have to read the first line or the heading. Sometimes we may miss it. And can you see there is 2 lines given down the table? Can you read it? Can you read it?
For drug resistant.
No need to read. You are able to read. No, you can see. No, that's what I meant. Yeah. Okay, this is also important because sometimes we may think that only the drugs or everything will be important. It may not notice it. Question may come from it. Okay. And next one, last text is text D. There is subheading tuberculosis lifestyle management or the monitoring. Okay. So you are all clear about it, I think. Okay. Beginners, don't be worried. You will understand when we are progressing. Here you can see that tuberculosis questions. First 7 questions I already told that you are supposed to mention the given information in which text. It may be in A, B, C, or D. You are supposed to mention only the letter here. Any letter or more than may come more than once. A may be repeated, B may be repeated, C may be repeated according to the information given there. Okay, so now let's try to do. You have not read the text, I am sure. So now let's try to do measures to prevent the spread of disease in household setting. Where it comes?
D.
Yeah, measures to prevent. Yeah,
D.
it comes under D, or it is monitoring. Okay. Second one, indicators of the disease. What is an indicator?
Diagnosis.
Or the signs and symptoms. Okay, so it comes under B. And third one is how tuberculosis advances in individuals. Advances means depending on the spread in individuals. You know that there will be secondary infection. So how tuberculosis advances in individual. Where it comes? Yeah, definition. So take you are supposed to write here.
A.
Very good. Next, patients under risk. Patients under risk. Okay, you have confusion there.
Yes.
Definition
It comes. Okay, let's see later. Investigations should be done.
B.
Okay, tuberculosis treatment after exposure.
Management C.
D.
Mode of transmission of tuberculosis.
A.
Yeah. So we have finished the 7 questions even without reading or even without skimming and scanning. What is? Have you heard about skimming and scanning?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. See, even without skimming, you were able to do it. So this is the main strategy Father taught us to tackle part A. Okay, let's see what is then strategies and tips. It begins with skimming. I already told. What is skimming then? What is meant by skim then? Just to have a look on the text. See, I have already mentioned here, you have to complete it within a minute, maximum 50 seconds. So you have to go through the text, each text 10 to 15 seconds only. So that what you are supposed to do, then you will get the general idea. So you are able to answer now because there were headings. So we have to skim for title or the heading, then section heading or subheadings. There were heading as tuberculosis text, then there were section heading and subheadings, then keywords, names, numbers, percentage, and what is next? Abbreviations. Okay, so we have to skim for all those things. So shall we do just skimming then? Okay, I already told you, you have to take only 50 second maximum a minute. So what we will skim or what we will do? Well, see, we will just underline. See, during skimming, you are supposed to underline the clues, anything you get here. Okay, so you are supposed to underline the heading. Then here, one word in second line started with a capital letter. You can underline Mycobacterium tuberculosis. No need to read. Just underline and go. That's all. And here, what else? I already told there are any percentage, yeah, percentage or numbers or anything you can underline. Again, subheadings, the bullets it is given there are subheading. Just underline and just move on. Okay, no need.
Extra pulmonary tuberculosis.
Yeah, those two. Then next, text
Diagnosis.
what is supposed to underline here within 10 to 15 seconds you have to complete.
Diagnosis.
2 weeks.
Here already it is given most frequent symptoms. Just underline enough. Pulmonary tuberculosis symptoms will be given there. No need to, here you can see chest pain or something, loss of appetite, sputum production, persistent cough. That's all. And move. Just jump to next one. And this is a part of B only. Here subheadings are there. So no need to read all those because when the question comes, we can go through it. No need to scan now. Just skim it. Here you can underline abbreviation. One abbreviation given there, HIV. What else?
Mondox
TB. TB culture, X-ray, and down one X-ray also. If you want, you can.
48 to 72 hours.
48
Yeah.
to 72 hours.
72 hours.
Okay. Yeah. This important one. That also you have to underline. Next. Here, as I told you, you have to read the heading. First line tuberculosis drugs and its doses. You can underline just enough. First line treatment. You all know that. And the last here below the table, you can underline one thing. What is
TB, a combination of antibiotics.
no need to read. You can underline something. What is that? Here last.
TB.
No.
The medication amikacin.
No, I didn't say to underline any medicine. And then we have to underline all those things now. But we have seen that you have yeah, last one 22.
30 months.
Enough. Okay, next text D, tuberculosis lifestyle management. Here, just no need to look through it. According to the question comes, we'll get a chance. Or otherwise, you can see that people with active TB, what they are supposed to do: cover the mouth, your patient to see. No need. So okay, that much enough. Let's move to next strategy. That is, here I have numbered as 1. That means first one is skimming. Okay, let's see what is next strategy. That is, we have to scan. Skimming and scanning, I already told you. See, see, these are the tips to be expeditious. So we are supposed to scan. What are we supposed to scan? That is for synonymous language. That means you know that the meanings and all. Okay, scale. One example I have mentioned here, somebody may have doubt if they are a beginner, may have what is meant by scale. Here you can see that always, often, something, sometimes, seldom, never. These are the adverbs of frequency. How frequent the things occur. There it will be mentioned. Such things you have to scan for. What is scanning then? After reading the question, according to the clues or the keywords we get, we have to scan for the answer. Then if we see such words, any scales or any synonyms or synonymous language, we have to concentrate on it. Then chronological or time expressions. What do you know? Yeah, it is mentioning the time like before, after, firstly, secondly, or frequently, like that. Okay, these words are chronological expression. Next, paraphrasing. You know that one, the syntax may be different in the question and the text. That means the order of the sentence, that is known as syntax. Okay, so order of the sentence may be different, but the meaning will be same. That's what paraphrasing. Next, cause and effect. Why? Because, like that. Okay, when we read, we'll see such things in the text. Next, modal verbs. What is modal verb? Modal verbs are
Can, could,
yeah. They may be some types are which may be showing the ability, like can and could will show the ability or the permission.
synonyms
could,
language
may.
means
Synonymous language means meaning. Meanings. Okay. Synonyms, you know. Synonymous language means meaning. Having same meaning, but may having maybe a phrase or another word given instead of given word in the question or in the answer. In the question and answer, they may be different word, but both having same meaning. Understood? Okay, next. We were discussing about the modal verbs. The modal verbs may be showing the advice, so that we'll use should, that you know that. Then obligation, must, how to, such words we'll use for that. And the possibility, might, may, could, can. Okay, this all you know that, modal verbs. Next, comparison and contrast. Yeah, it may be sentence may be compared with the other. Okay, better than or something like that. It will be greater than or something like that. And or contrast. Contrast means but, yeah, although, but, even though, however, like that. Some words, if you see, you have to concentrate on it because it will be leading us to the answer. See that it is giving the opposite meaning. Okay, sometimes in the question they may ask what is not mentioned in the text or what is not said by so and so, somebody or something. That means you have to see for the contrast sometimes, or what is against the or what is opposite of the question. Then we have to see some words like but, although, though, like that. Okay, then adjectives. Adjectives, yeah. See, for example, temperature. We can mention the temperature in different degree. That is boiled, hot, warm, lukewarm, cool, freeze, like that. Okay, so these all those where are having different meaning or they are different. Hot is not boiled, or boiled is not warm, warm is not cool. It is different. So meaning is different. See, for example, doctor advised him to take warm milk. Okay, doctor advised him to take warm milk. In the question they asked what doctor advised to take. What are you supposed to write?
warm.
Yeah. No.
Warm milk.
Warm milk. Instead of warm milk, if you write only milk, we will use our mark. So it is necessary to mention the adjective also. Okay, high temperature, low temperature, high pressure, like that. You know that. So you are supposed to use it. Then narration. What is narration? If somebody says some quotes and all, it will be you have to notice. So these are the strategies or the scanning. Okay, so while scanning, what are the things you are supposed to do? Okay, you have to notice all those things. These are the clues which will lead us to the answer. Next, second strategy. Already we have seen first one is skimming and scanning. Second one is let your previous reading guide you forward. See, once if you read, for example, text here you started to read for some answer. Again, don't go back for the same text, or you again don't read because we will not get time. So what you are supposed to do, you have to keep it in your mind. It may be it should be there in your mind. What are you reading? You have to read, concentrate with the full concentration. Okay, next, write exactly what you read in the text. Sorry, that is cut and paste method. I already told you, if it is severe pain, you are not supposed to write only pain. You have tried, not you are, including me. We are supposed to write
Severe pain.
Severe pain. Okay, or high temperature. Not only temperature mentioned in the answer, we have to mention high
High
temperature. So
temperature.
that is known as cut and paste. And sometimes if high is given in the fill in the blanks model questions are there, I already told. If it is given high, again you are not supposed to write high. You are we can write only temperature. Okay, so we have to be careful in the part A that what is supposed to write only enough to write. Okay. Next, plenty of practice with love. Father always says, fall in love with OET. So we have to fall in love with OET. Otherwise, we feel very difficult. We have to love the process what we are doing, but we have to love the modules what you are practicing, or what you have to love what you are practicing. That is, love the process. Next, both. Plenty of practice with love and love the process. Plenty of practice means not the number or the quantity of material you are supposed to practice. It is not at all necessary to practice a huge number of materials. If whatever you practice, if it is just 10, also no problem, but you have to practice very well. How? See, you have to analyze after doing your test, you have to analyze where you have made the mistake or why it is wrong. We have to analyze it. Then only it will be beneficial for us. Otherwise, we will not be able to score more. We never have to go back. We have to always have to move forward, so that you have to score every day. Your score have to be increased. So we have to practice with the that is what known as experiential learning. That means we have to practice with love, full of interest, and whenever you are feel free to practice enough to do it. It is not just to complete the task, but you have to enjoy and do it. You have to find out the strategies. If you feel any difficulty, go and watch father's video, then again come back and do it. Then we will be able to do it. Okay, that's my experience. So then practice when you feel. That means I already told, when you are in a good mood or when you feel interested enough to practice. Then consistent practice. I already told you, never go our score down. We have to improve. Then and for the I have practiced today 5 materials, and for next 5 days I have not done anything. No, that is not consistent practice. You have to go in a steady way. Okay. Next, be positive, optimistic, and confident. Okay. So never say I can't do it. See, father's videos are there about this and all. Mystery of something I forgot, fear or something like that. Okay, Tadastu and all. You know that all those who are, all of you, some of you might have watched it and you know that. Know it. It is very much important for all those who are going to appear any talent test or anything, OET or IELTS or whatever it may be, to get the confidence. It is necessary to watch it. Okay, so be positive, optimistic, and confident. What is optimistic and confident? You know that. Be positive always and have to think that I can do it. And one more thing, be sure that God will be there with us to help us. Okay, next, do smart work, not hard work. Yeah, we feel difficulty when we are doing hard work. It is not hard work, but smart work. What is smart work? Trying to apply all these strategies according to father's video and father's sessions, and then we will be doing experiential learning. Okay, then let's move to the text. Next, question number 8 to 14. Answer each of the questions 8 to 14 with a word or a short phrase. I already told it may answer maybe a word or a short phrase. Okay, it may be a word or short phrase. Words, this may include words, numbers, or both. Sometimes there may be words, numbers, and both will be there. Okay, question number 8. Which is the drug used for TB skin test? Can you say in which text it comes? Which? What is the keyword of the question? What is the keyword of the question?
TB skin test.
Which?
Yeah.
What? Which drug means, don't think that which drug. It is not mentioning about the drug. Then what is it? Drug used for the skin test. So which test? So that means for which test we are using particular drug. That is the question. So that is the keyword of the question. Which drug used for the test? Okay, where it will be then? Test is mentioned in
B.
Yeah.
Clinical assessment.
Where is it?
B.
This is B. There are 2 slides on B. Can you find out?
Mondos test.
Yeah. What is the drug? Tuberculin. Okay. So this is the drug we use for tuberculin is a, yeah. So you got the answer. Okay. Now second question. Ninth question. What is the maximum dose of streptomycin per kilo of a patient's weight? Where it comes? Which text?
C. Part C.
Yeah. You know that where the answer will be, so that just enough to go to that particular text only. So here, can you find out the answer? What is the keyword of the question?
Maximum
Maximum dose. So what is the answer?
18.
18.
Milligram.
Yeah, 18 mg. See, when I have done it first time, I wrote 12 to 18 mg. That means I did not observe the word maximum. So there is a maximum is a keyword there. Okay, so we are not supposed to write 12 to 18 mg. You have to mention the unit also. 12 to 18 mg is wrong. Then 18 mg is the right answer. Okay, maximum. If they ask minimum, what we are supposed to write?
12 mg. 12
Okay.
mg.
Next question. Which bacteria causes tuberculosis? That already you might have noticed. Yeah, we have underlined it. Yes, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Do you want to go to the text? Which
No.
text it comes?
Text belongs to A.
A.
These are all direct questions. No need to look for any strategies and all. Yeah, here you can see that Mycobacterium tuberculosis. See, most here a scale is used there. Most causes by microorganisms. Most causes. A scale is given there. Most is a scale. It is used, and so that we can confirm the answer is somewhere here only. Okay. So the disease caused. Which organism causes in the question? Same thing given here. This is caused in most cases by the organism called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, next. Question number 11. How long? How long means? It may be a time period. Yes or no? Does a patient have to take medication for drug-resistant TB? It may be a time period. Okay, so we have to scan for what?
Resistant.
How long means we have to scan in which text?
C.
Then scan for what?
Drug resistant.
No.
Medication.
Time period.
Yeah, time period will be mentioned in
Text see that column.
Time.
Below the
Table.
No. Time period will be mentioned in numbers. So no. Yeah, that already we have underlined. You remember, I think. We have underlined.
Yes.
What is that?
Yes. 22.
Yeah. 22.
30.
30 months. Okay. See that medication such as here you can see that for drug resistant TB. Again, after some medication combination of antibiotics, those things no need to read. Okay, you can just skip it and move forward, and you can find out all those drugs name and all. You are not supposed, you no need to read because it will consume our time and it is not a skilled one. We have to be skilled, or we have to get the skill of skipping those things that we will get by persistent practicing only. Okay, so you can just see those words have come. You know that already. You know that it's a group of medicines given there and having commas. So you are supposed to jump or spit. Okay, next. Question number, yeah, which type of tuberculosis spread from infected person to others? In which text it will be?
Next day.
Next year definition.
Yeah. See, here you can see that tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused in, sorry.
എന്താണ് ഇപ്പൊ ശരി എന്താ മനസ്സിലായില്ലല്ലോ സ്ക്രീൻ കാണുന്നുണ്ട് ആ ചേച്ചി ഇപ്പൊ ലെഫ്റ്റ് കോർണറിലാണ്
Okay. So which type of tuberculosis spread from infected person to others is the question. So what is spread word is not given here. Instead of that, there is a synonym used. Can you find out?
Contagious.
See, which type means you know that already we have seen that there are two types, pulmonary tuberculosis and extrapulmonary tuberculosis. Among these two, one will be the answer. So you can see that where it is in the here in the pulmonary tuberculosis, you can see the most frequent. What is it? I told strategy.
Scale. Most.
Yeah,
Most.
it is a
Most
scale,
frequent.
most frequent. It shows the
Scale.
time. Okay, most frequent is a scale. So it shows the answer is somewhere here. It is a clue for us to find out the answer. And again, one percentage given there. See, it is 80%. See, usually percentage, if it is followed by a number, we are supposed to read it as percent. 80%, not 80%. It is 80%. Okay. And one more thing, if the percentage is given in digits, single digit, that means 0 to 9, it will be mentioned in words. For example, if it is 8%, it will write EIGHT 8. Okay. And even in answer sheet also, we are supposed to write like that. Single, if it is single digit, we are supposed to write words. Am I audible for you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, there is a fluctuation of electricity. Okay, here you can see that the most frequent will be leading us to the answer I already told. Usually comprising over 80% of cases, it is the form of tuberculosis that can be contagious. So contagious, if we don't know the meaning of contagious, you know that all of you know that we are very familiar with those words. These are medical terms, you know that. So otherwise, unless otherwise, if you know don't know the answer, synonyms and all, we will feel difficulty. So that I request you, whenever you practice, you maintain a vocabulary book. So when we practice, there will be many words which are not familiar for us or which we don't know the meaning and all. So you have to maintain a book so that you can note down and you can write the meaning. And later, whenever again the word comes, we'll remember it. Again, have a look on it. What is the meaning? 2-3 times if you'll see like that, automatically we will learn the meaning, or it will be fixed in our mind. So here you can see that a synonym is used, contagious. What is the synonym of contagious given in the question? It is, what is it? Do you remember?
Spread.
Yeah, spread. Okay, let's move to next question. Okay, what needs to be ensured to remove breathe out bacteria from a room? Okay, we read the question once again, and then only we can identify the answer. What needs? What is the keyword here?
What?
Yeah, what need to be ensured to remove breath out bacteria from room? Breath out bacteria means
Ventilation.
TB patient, you know that through the
All around the
it's airborne disease, you know that, so that through the
bacteria
breath come out from the patient will cause the contagion, or it will spread. It will spread from person to person. So that, see here you can see that some words, that is okay. See, note down some words, that is ensured, because again we have to come back to the slide, so that I am telling. needs, what needs, then ensured, then removed, then breath out, then from a room. See how it is given in the text. Where it will be, in which text?
D.
Yes.
Management.
Yeah.
Oh.
So here find out the particular sentence.
Yeah, make sure the patient's room has adequate
Adequate ventilation.
See there. That is,
Shared
what are
vent-
the one second, I'm sorry. Okay, ventilation. Where is it? You are, see, you are very, you can easily find out the answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Where it? Then read the
Third
sentence.
bullet point.
Please read
Make
the
sure
sound
the
of
Patient's
patient
room has adequate ventilation.
yeah.
So that exhaled bacteria
so
are
that
carried
the
out.
inside the bacteria are carried away.
Here you can see some synonymous language. Can you mention?
Exhaled bacteria.
I already told in the question, you note down. Can you say now?
Exhaled
Instead of
bacteria.
make sure, what is given there?
Without.
No. Instead of make sure, what is given there?
Ensure.
Ensure. Okay. Again, in the question, it is given remove. What is given here?
Carried away.
Carried away.
Carried away. Carried away. Okay. Again,
Breathe out. Breathe out. Exhaled.
breathe out. What is given here?
Exhaled.
It is not breathe out, it is breath out. Okay, breath out is exhaled. Exhaled means you know that. Okay, again, one more. That is from a room given in the question. What is given here?
Patient's room.
Patient's room.
No. Removed from a room. Removed from a room. What is given here?
Adequate ventilation.
No. I'm asking the synonymous language. Or it is paraphrasing, we can say overall sentence is paraphrased. Meaning is same, but sentence arrangement is different, but having the same meaning, some synonymous language used here. What is the word phrase used here? Instead of remove from a room. That is in the question. Remove from a room. Carried away. Okay. Yeah. Carried away. So here you can see that the paraphrasing is used here. Make sure, ensure, again. Ventilation. Ventilation is not mentioned in the question. But what is given there?
Air.
Instead of that, which is used to the passage of the air. That we understood while reading the question, we can identify. That means the air have to be removed from the room. So that carried away. It's given there. And you will be able to find out the answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. And last question in this session. What threat follows the stoppage of TB medication? What is the keyword here?
What threat?
Threat. What is meant by threat? What is threat? Harm or high risk. Risk. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Stoppage of TB medication. So if we stop TB medication, what happens? Where it will be? In which text it falls? Where it will be?
Medication.
Is it medication?
Sorry.
Management. Last paragraph.
No, it is monitoring. It is okay. Management is medical or surgical management is mentioned as while sequencing. While sequencing means what? Progressing or one when we move from one text to another text. These are all the texts are interrelated. Same topic only will be given and the explanations given here. So that the third one is the management, that includes medical or surgical management. This is not management, but it comes under monitoring. Okay. So here you can find out in which bullet it is the answer.
Last bulletin.
What is the answer? See, instead of what threat, what is mentioned there?
Drug resistant.
Stop
Risk of developing.
Risk of
Or no?
yeah.
Yeah, risk of developing. Okay. Again, it is a synonymous language there. Again, stoppage of TB medication. What is given there? Stop taking medication.
Keep
Or
Keep
skip.
some
Yes, yes,
doses.
yes. Yeah, stop taking medication or skip is the word used there. Okay. So, we have find out all the answers very easily. Did you feel difficult now? No, no. Yeah, for further clarification, you can watch father's video. Okay, you have to watch it thoroughly, not just go through it. You have to make a note of it. You have to make your study note, then prepare a note. Then with that, you have to, if you practice with all these strategies, you apply. Some strategy, we have not used many strategies now. Okay, some only we have used here. Okay, what are the strategies we are supposed to use? How to use it, then you will feel easy to find out the answer. Next session, I'm going little fast because power gone. Okay, so here question number 15 to 20, we have seen, let's see, you have to answer in a word or short phrase. Again, same instruction only, words and number or both can be used. See, 15th question, the disease advances beyond the dash to affect various areas. Here it comes, which text? The disease advances. What is meant by advance? Already we have seen. Here it is. Advance means spreading or the okay. Advance beyond the dash to affect various areas. No, no. Where it comes?
A.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, it is type. It is types now. In the types it is there. Where is the answer? Give the particular sentence. Read the question again.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
diseases advances beyond the dash to affect various areas. Beyond the dash. What is meant by beyond? Which part it will be affected? TB. First it will be affected to
lungs.
Affecting organs
Beyond,
other than the lungs.
beyond, it means other than lungs. Where is it given?
The second
Yes, you
bullet.
can see that the spread from the initial location in the lungs to other parts, that is given in the question. How is it given? Advances. It is given developed in the text and advances in the question, and it is beyond or other than the lungs. It is given beyond the part, or it is given beyond the dash. That means other than the lungs. So what is the answer? Lungs. We are supposed to write only lungs. Okay, in a phrase. Then again it is given affected various areas. In the question, here it is given. What is given here?
Affecting organs.
Affecting organs. Yes, very good. See, extension to other organs or the affecting organs it is given. So you are able to find out. So let's move to next one. Question number 16. The sign of extrapulmonary disease is based on the involved dash. The sign is the keyword there. What is the sign of extrapulmonary disease? Where it comes? Let's move fast.
B.
Where it comes? Where it comes?
B.
Yeah. That's the answer. What is signs means? Here it is given another word. Can you find out the
symptom?
Yes, very good. Yeah, symptom. Again, extrapulmonary disease. Where is the extrapulmonary disease?
Last.
This is actually text A not B. Okay, extrapulmonary disease. But don't be confused. The answer is being here in the text. In this. Okay. Okay, I'll read the question. The science of extrapulmonary disease is based on the involved dash. Here's the answer. Is based on the involved dash.
TB culture test.
Question I read
Organ.
it. Did you understand question? The science of extrapulmonary disease is based on the involved dash.
Based on synonym.
Organ involved.
Yes. Symptoms of extrapulmonary tuberculosis depends on the organ involved. Okay. So what is the answer then?
Organ.
Organ.
Okay. We are supposed to write organ. Okay. Next. Question number 17. Mandox test checks for hard area and where is it?
Text B.
Again in
Text
B.
B.
Second part of B.
Yeah.
See here. Mandox checks. What is the answer? Hard and what? It
Lower part.
is used to check. No.
Lower
The
part.
I'll read the question.
Swelling. Swelling.
Swelling.
Yes.
Swelling.
Yes. Hard and dash. That is the question. Hard
Yeah.
area and dash. Hard area and
Swelling.
Swelling.
See, hard area or swelling. It is given there. Okay. Next one is question number 18. Inflammation of lungs as a result of presence of bacteria may be evident on dash. I'll repeat the question. Once again, you note down. There are some strategies used. The inflammation of lungs as a result of presence of bacteria may be evident on. Okay. Where it will be?
Text A.
Evident on.
B.
Test to see B.
Evident on. Evident means what?
B.
Proved. Where we'll get the
Where?
proof?
Investigation.
Investigation.
Where it comes then?
X-ray.
No.
No. I am asking which text? Investigation.
B.
Okay, B.
B.
Yeah. Here you can see. Just
Typical
the last one you can see that if a person has had bacteria, which see evident means proof that which will be visible, or then you can easily see go to the chest X-ray.
On an X-ray. Okay.
Yeah. The other no need to look through the other part or no need to read all text. Okay, so that you have to read question very carefully. Inflammation of lungs as a result of presence of bacteria may be evident on. See here. What are the synonymous language or the paraphrasing done here? You can see.
Visible on.
Evident.
Yeah, evident. Instead of evident, what is used there?
Visible on.
Visible.
Yeah, evident on, maybe visible on. Maybe. See, may is also another
Model verb.
Yeah, it will be a sign. Okay, it's a signpost. Again, yeah, presence of bacteria. What is given in the text?
A.
What is given in the text? Presence of, instead of presence of bacteria, what is given there?
If a person has
A
had
person has had
bacteria.
bacteria. Yeah, presence of bacteria. Instead of that, a person has had bacteria. Okay. Again, caused. It is in the question. It is a result as a result of. Okay, in the question it is given as a result of, or the it is caused. In the text it is caused. In the question as a result of. So that in the text you can see here caused inflammation. Yes or no? Inflammation of the lungs as a result of. Instead of that it is given inflammation which have caused inflammation. Caused inflammation. Okay, it is in the question inflammation of the lungs as a result of. Okay, so next. Question number 90. Dash is suspected to on patients who visit the health sector on their own interest. Dash is suspected on patients who visit the health sector on their own interest. Okay, let's move to the text fast. Which text it will be?
B.
See, you know that the patient comes with some signs and symptoms to the clinic. Yes or no? So here you can see where is it the answer?
Text
See,
B.
first line only. every patient presenting with what is given in the question? The present patient who visit. Instead of that, they are given here present themselves, okay, presenting with. Okay, these symptoms. Okay, and when we have the symptom only, we will present or we will visit the healthcare sector. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
If we don't have any problem, we will not go to the hospital. So here symptom, it is used like that. Symptom means suspected. You know
Signs.
that. Okay, it is a having see, doctors will be moving to the diagnosis procedure according to symptom. So that it is what they are suspected will be diagnosed in such a way. Okay, so then again, health sector is given in the question. What is given in the text?
Designated.
Designated.
Okay. Okay, next. Okay, then again, we'll see that patient who visit or present themselves on their own initiation. Okay, so you can see that. So what is the answer then?
Person.
What you are supposed to write?
Tuberculosis suspect.
Yes, that means tuberculosis is suspected on patient who visit the health sector on their own interest. When we suspect we have some problem, then only we'll go to the clinic. Now, let's move to the final question of question number 20 of part A. For drug regimen falls under the tuberculosis drugs. Where it comes, we can say for drug regimen.
Medications.
You all know what is for drug regimen. What is for drug regimen? Actually, our medical knowledge is not at all required. Yeah, I just asked, but actually our medical knowledge is not at all required here. They are testing for the language knowledge or the English knowledge. So you know that it will be in the text to see. Yeah. Here, what is, I'll read the question. For drug regimen falls under dash tuberculosis drugs. So that is first line regimen.
tuberculosis
What
drugs.
are those four drugs?
Isoniazid acid,
Isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide.
Is
Again, two are there.
streptomycin.
Either ethambutol or streptomycin. Both will not be there. First three will be there, and along with that, either ethambutol or streptomycin. That you know, all of you know that. So, what is the answer supposed to write there? For drug regimen falls under dash tuberculosis drugs. What is that? First line tuberculosis drugs. So, hope you understood. Okay. If you have any doubt or if you want any clarification,
Ma'am, I have a
please.
doubt, ma'am. Ma'am,
I don't know how long I don't know how long I can continue because here there is no current. Now we have interrupted electricity. Just we can look on the answers what we have find out is right or not. This is the answer T. This already you have done very well and all correct only. Again, tuberculin, we have seen that used for the skin test, 18 mg, maximum dose of the streptomycin, mycobacterium tuberculosis, causes TB, again 20 to 30 months. For what? TB resistant, drug resistance. Okay, again, pulmonary tuberculosis, the type we have seen, adequate ventilation. You can write only ventilation or adequate ventilation. What is given in the bracket, you can keep or you can write, no problem. You will not be penalized. Again, drug resistant TB, that we have already seen that. Then we are taking, skipping the medicine. What happened then? Lungs, that means where it starts. Again, organ, that means it will be secondary infection will be spread to other organs. So again, swelling. We can see Manto's text, there will be hardening of the skin and the swelling and X-ray. That we have seen that. Yeah.
Here will it come chest X-ray or plain just X-ray?
Just X-ray. I'll show you why. Because this is the another mistake I too made. Only two were wrong for me. That I'll show you. I have wrote chest X-ray because of carelessness. Okay, here you can see that. See what is given here?
Visible on an X-ray.
Yes. So we are supposed to write only
X-ray.
Yeah. These are the things we have to do. Here we are supposed to write right? That's what I told, cut and paste. Only what is necessary. Should not add anything and should not remove anything. Even an article will be counted. So if it is something like that, what else? Something, a cup of
and the
yeah, articles. That means a
and
a bottle of IV solution or something like that. We are supposed to write A if it is necessary. If it is not mentioned in the question, so I'll write A. Otherwise, you can, if it is given in the text, you can skip the A. Okay. Then thank you so much for listening me very patiently. Thank you very much, Jenny. Shall we wind up?
Thank you so much.
thank you, Chechi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chechi.
A big thanks to Father Salim. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you all for
Rajini,
your
for wonderful explanation.
Chechi, thank you. Jenny, bye. Chechi, bye.
all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you all for your active cooperation. Thank you that all of you all were have kept the decorum of the platform. Thank you, Rajni, Biju, for your wonderful class and the wonderful efforts that you have taken. May God bless you.
Thank you, Jenny.
Once again, thanking all of you all for your cooperation.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Rajni Chechi. Thank you for your explanation. It was amazing. You explained everything,
So
including the
thank you,
father
thank you.
strategy.
Yeah. Just follow Father strategy. Nothing else to do. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chechi. Thank you so